Good morning to Outing Journal. One of the most question asked is that when we can start travel. As you know, right now I'm in China. I could not easily move out. I'm planning to visit East Africa, Uganda, Tanzania, and Southern Africa, Southern Sudan, and Ethiopia also, which is located in East Africa. But traveling is not easy in COVID-19. It's nearly been 2 years. If you don't know, COVID-19 was early detected in 2019, late 2019. Right now it's 2020. It's nearly going to be 2 years right now. So for 2 years I'm not traveling much. I really have to travel because we humans are made to travel. I'm one of the person which love travel. I'm not I used to go on vacation, but I'm more of a slow traveler. I'm more of a culture traveler. Whenever I go, I want to learn from their culture. I want to be absorbed by their culture, by their ritual, by their language. There's something unique about slow traveling. Slow traveling means you go to one place, live for 1 week to 1 month, and do not try to visit the big attraction. You can visit, but you try to visit some unknown location. You try to live with local. You try to visit the local market. That is what is called slow travel. But I'm really stuck. If I cannot go to East Africa, I'm trying my best to secure my and my wife's visa for the East Africa. So for the East Africa, for the oceanic country. It's not an oceanic country technically. It's located in Asia. It's called East Timor, or I will be visiting somewhat an oceanic country, PNG, Papua New Guinea. East Timor and Papua New Guinea are on my travel list, to be honest with you. I don't know when I can travel. I'm hoping maybe within 2 or 3 months, if I can get security visa of PNG, I can visit. So I think so. I will be traveling around maybe in late August or early September. Let's hope so that I can secure my visa for PNG, Papua New Guinea, and East Timor. If I cannot, I'm still trying to secure my Tanzania visa. It's not easy for me to travel. Like for Tanzania visa, you have to apply 2 months advance. You have to get clearance from the High Commission of Tanzania Immigration, because I have one of the worst passport in the world. Yeah, the worst passport. If you don't know, there's discrimination of passport around the world. Like, I think so visa should be abolished. Passport means is a pass for the port, entry and exit. That is what passport means. Let me show you around. So I totally believe that passport should be abolished, because it's only made for entry and exit. I don't understand why we need visa. Visa discrimination is a very huge thing around the world. I have a Pakistani passport, one of the worst passport. So traveling on a Pakistani passport is not easy for me, to be honest with you. Sometimes I really get frustrated, but I know I have to live it, because getting a visa is very hard. Like, I have to pay sometimes a lot of money just to secure a visa. Anyway, that is a different topic. The problem is that we see travel from the American perspective, but do not see travel from the African perspective, from the Asian perspective. I have seen people with a Kenyan passport, they have denied entry. I have seen people with Malaysian passport, they have denied entry, because their passport, again, Malaysian Kenya passport is like, they are much better than my country passport, like in ranking, but still they are denied. I have seen people from Armenia, Belarus, Estonia, they have denied entry. I think passport discrimination will be end. So back to the main question, when we can travel. Yeah, this is the old question, when we can travel. In my opinion, I'll be telling you, we really don't have idea. I think so it will take around 2024 where the travel will be normal, not before 2024. That is my hard answer. 2024 before we can travel. That's all I wanna say, because I really don't have much to say. But I will try my best to travel this year within few months, because I'm a person that cannot be trapped. Like I could not tell you like my condition right now. I'm stuck. I wanna travel around the world. I am made for travel. That is what I am. Make sure to check out the outing journal. I have to say you bye.